In front of me is iPhone 16e, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on General. Then scroll to tap on Keyboard section. Scroll down and click on the gray switcher next to Enable Dictation feature. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Select this switcher next to Auto Punctuation to switch it off or on. Hit Dictation Languages and set up your language. Go back and launch your keyboard. Now you need to click on this microphone at the bottom right corner and start typing. To stop, click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!